this I have brought. This is you can see its name here, Maesto car. Here you can see Maesto car. This is Dodge Viper GT2, and now I am customing this car. So we should have to open this car, and pieces has came out. You can see it's all pieces. You can see it's all pieces, and we have to remove this paint with some caustic soda. In water, and we will give it one flame. We are putting caustic soda, means detergent. You can see now it's burning on gas stove. It's caustic soda and water. We will keep it for 20 minutes and we will remove the paint of the car. You can see the whole car is now mixing with caustic soda. You can use any detergent and any caustic soda for the paint remover, and you can use also paint stripper, paint thinner. Caustic soda, I have removed all the paint, and now you can see the silver and metallic look of this car. And next step is coloring. And finally I have done all the work for restore this car, and I have done a black color with airbrush. It is looking so nice. You can buy airbrush from some online stores like Amazon, eBay, Shopcluse, etc. And we have to put it together now. This is looking nice. This white color, this all the shiny color has done, and it is now looking nice. And this how I have customized and restored. And I have restored the old one into the new one. The black shiny color of Dodge Viper is looking so nice. It is the one of the muscle cars, and it is looking so nice. The work has done very beautifully. Some efforts needed for the work to restore the car. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for this video. Hope you like the video.